Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the SpeakUp Show. I'm Lily.
And I'm Jack. It's great to see you again.
Today, we have a very cute and interesting topic. We're talking about the first time Jack liked someone.
Oh yes, my embarrassing moment is now becoming a lesson for the world.
Don't worry, Jack. Our viewers love real stories. They help you learn real English.
Exactly. And if you enjoy natural English conversations, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next fun lesson.
All right, let's start. So, Jack, tell us, when was it? How old were you when you first liked someone?
I think I was around 13, maybe 14. It was in middle school.
The classic age. Everything feels dramatic, every look feels important, every smile feels magical.
Exactly. And back then, I didn't understand body language or social signals at all.
Still don't.
Hey, I've improved. A little.
Okay, so who was the person?
Her name was Anna. She was in my class, and she had this bright smile that could make the whole room light up.
Aw, that's sweet. So what happened? What was the moment?
It started on a rainy day. Everyone was running inside the school building because it was pouring like crazy.
Let me guess. You forgot your umbrella.
Of course, I never remembered it.
Still don't.
Wow, so much support today. Thank you.
Anytime.
Anyway, I was standing there, completely wet, trying to fix my hair, but it kept falling over my eyes. And suddenly, Anna walked over to me.
Ooh, the dramatic moment.
She looked at me and said, "Your hair looks funny." And then she laughed.
And you thought, yes, this is love.
Not exactly, but I remember feeling something strange. My heart started beating fast, and I became very shy.
That's the classic sign. Crush feelings. Let's pause for a quick English learning tip. The word crush means someone you like in a romantic way, usually secretly.
And the phrase, "I had a crush on her," means I liked her.
Other helpful phrases are, I felt nervous. My heart was beating fast. I didn't know what to say. I froze. This means you stopped moving because you felt shy or surprised.
Yes, and I definitely froze that day.
So what did you do after she said your hair looked funny?
I panicked, my brain stopped working, and I said the most ridiculous thing ever.
Here we go. Tell us.
I looked at her and said, thanks, you do.
What? You told her her hair looked funny too?
I didn't mean to. I just said you too because I was nervous. She looked confused for a second, then laughed even harder.
Honestly, she probably found it cute.
I hope so. At least she didn't run away.
What happened next?
She held her umbrella over both of us and said, "Come on, let's go inside before you catch a cold."
Aw, that is very sweet.
Yeah, and that moment felt special. Like someone cared about me.
That's the exact moment you first felt something, right?
Yes, that was the first moment I realized I liked someone. I didn't understand it, but I felt it.
Let's teach some helpful expressions for talking about feelings. Here are easy ways to say you like someone. I think I like her. I feel something for her. I'm interested in her or him. I have a crush on her or him.
And here are ways to describe shy moments. I got nervous. I didn't know where to look. I felt embarrassed. I tried to act normal.
That last one is funny because people almost never act normal when they try to.
Yes, I looked like a confused chicken trying to walk in the rain.
perfect English example. So tell us, was that the end of the story?
Oh no, the embarrassing moment was yet to come.
I knew it.
When we reached the classroom, I tried to impress her by saying something cool, but I was still wet and nervous.
What did you say?
I walked in confidently and said, I like water. Water is very water.
What? Water is very water? Jack, that's not even English.
I know. My brain was swimming.
Swimming in water, very water.
Okay. I deserve that.
But you know what? This is normal. Feelings can make us act silly.
Yes, and it's okay. It's part of growing up and learning.
Also, your story teaches something important. You don't need perfect English to connect with people.
Exactly. Even if your grammar is not perfect, people feel your emotions.
And sometimes mistakes make the moment more memorable.
I still remember her laugh. It wasn't mean. It was friendly and warm.
So, did you two become friends?
Yes. We talked more later, and she never made fun of me for my very water comment.
That's good. Maybe she had a crush on you too?
Nah, I don't think so, but she was definitely kind.
Let's talk quickly about compliments, because Jack's mistake came from trying to compliment her.
Yes, and failing.
Here are easy English compliments. You look nice today. Your smile is beautiful. I like your hairstyle. You're really kind.
And avoid saying, your hair looks funny, unless you want the person to panic.
Or fall in love with you accidentally.
That too.
All right, everyone, that was today's episode. Jack's first crush story was adorable and educational.
Thank you, I think.
We learned many useful English phrases about feelings, compliments, and shy moments.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes when speaking English. It's all part of learning.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who want to learn natural English.
And now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, when was the first time you liked someone? Just 1 or 2 sentences. Keep it simple.
We can't wait to read your stories.
Both. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.